So, let's see unboxing. It includes SIM card tool, a 20-watt charger, and USB Type-C cable. Many colors are also available in this variant. Now notice at its weight. Here are the ports and buttons: 3.5mm jack, microphone, USB Type-C, speaker grill, power on the off button with fingerprint sensor and volume buttons, and also have noise cancelling microphone and a SIM card tray. Now, let's move to the display. 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Look at the bezels. It has 580 nits brightness. Let's talk about specs. Snapdragon 695 Ace processor with decent Antutu score. Here are RAM and storage information. It has 5000 mAh battery and 20-watt charger. You can play games in medium settings. Android OS has 1-year major update with 3 years of security update, and it has a clean UI. Now its connectivity shown on your screen. It has dual stereo speakers. And the most awaited section, the camera has 50 megapixels and 2 megapixels and 16 megapixels selfie camera. With the ending of this video, you can consider it a decent mobile under Rs 10,000.